now going to speak to a legal practitioner to get a legal perspective on these disqualifications. You're welcome to the Citi Newsroom, sir.
Thank you.
What really is the standard practice to get your concerns addressed when you're disqualified in an election like this?
Well, the law requires that for every person to be condemned, the person must be heard. I mean, any person who is here, when I use condemn, I am using it technically. If any adverse decision is taken against you, you are entitled to challenge. Now, among some of the grounds that you can use to challenge a decision, an adverse decision that has been taken against you, is to challenge it on the basis that you were not heard. Because any person, before any person is condemned, you must be heard. So if the EC has failed to grant you that right, you are entitled to challenge the EC on that basis.
We've had issues also coming up with forged signatures amongst the likes. What is the legal implication of such an act?
Well, like I'm sure by now you have heard that fraud vitiates everything. So if you do anything and then fraud is detected, the whole thing has to be set aside. Now, forgery are criminal offenses. They are not minor issues. They are very serious matters. So when you are accused of fraud or forgery being criminal offenses, I think the person who is making the allegation has a right or is entitled to report you to the appropriate quarters, which I think in this case the EC did. They said they are reporting the issues of fraud and forgery that they have detected. The decision regarding some people's signature, if the EC takes a decision or takes a view that it amounts to fraud, crime, I think the appropriate quarters for that hearing to be heard is the police, as EC said they have done. But if it is to the effect that the person says, for example, he doesn't know you, or we think the person doesn't know you, I think the EC is required by law to hear his side of the story and to hear the other persons for them to, take that kind of decision. But they can't jump, in taking a decision that he hasn't been heard.